So yun na nga, dahil lagi nawawalang ano ko, another ano ulit, just nakakaloka. Free inside now this one, the casing or no? I'll buy. So ayun, binili ko po yung AirPods 2 kasi nga lagi nawawalang aking AirPod. So ayun, fatura wen. So we have a new AirPods. Ayan. AirPods 2. Kasi nawala yung akin. So I need to buy again yung one. So lagi na lang bili ng bili. Lagi na lang nawawala. Nakakaloka. So I have it new. Thank you so much. Fatura. 430. It's okay. The last. So it's 140 now.